wena wenzani ngempilo yakho njengoba uthi thina siyi trash njengoba sizirephela sizamele empilweni ubona ukuthi kule economy esinayo njengoba ngikutshelile nge27 sibeka infrastructure 2 million there will be whoa ngizokutshela there will be over 10 million economy erana eSoweto that day wena yini into yenza ngithi ngitshela angithi ngitshela into engiyenza ngitshela wena ukuthi wenza
ngesabua
ngithi khuluma ukuthi wenzani ngempilo yakho
watlamile ke bue ntwe batlang kwena
king no angithi wena ula angithi wena ubiza abantu ngetrash sifuna ukwazi ukuthi wena uyini because if mina I'm trash you are a shit hole wena
exactly wabona if wena onthoga ndene botlore
ukude kabi
opinion yakho
ukude kabi
opinion yakho le nna ke na le yaka di rapse tsa go di work no tlamile ke reng ke bue maka
ngifuna kanjani yabo and the opinion yakho mawuthaba
le wena opinion yakho ke shit hole
yes
exactly
angithi wena uthi mina ngitrash manje nje ushilo ukuthi mina ngitrash wena angithi ushilo ukuthi mina ngitrash ngikusukelanga hamba wa social angisukelanga mina ngisangenza next kuwe ngimdala kabi kuwe mfana wami ukuthi ungasho lento le and egaming ngiphushe kakhulu ukuthi mina ngabizwa ngetrash
nakho le ke trash ne ke sa wena ne ke bua ka di raps
yena uthanga raps uthe wena trash uthe bitch ass ubekile uthe bitch ass kimi wena
rappers u fell off la hore
uthe trash
akere rappers u fell off
yena uthenga mina ngitrash mina ngidustbin mina fuze ngilahla mina
ay maybe ke de wena o itsereng ka teng
nna ke rappers ubonile ukuthi ngikhombile futhi mangikhuluma noma ngikho
ya dali ya go khomba
angikhomba baba yebo mase ngikhomba phela sokuthi akuliyo yiwo
mayaziyenza kanjani
leyo mfana wami
ezinye izinto mawuziringa abanye abantu
and there's consequences
ayithola dayidi manje khotmalange ba san text ko TikTok an13 ne ke tla apologize grant no 113 na unchayela kazinja
zaseSoweto bengikukhuza bengitshela ukuthi intwana esharp uzobuya uthi khotmani
angikhuza utlamela ubuye la sento khona nemfethu ngake ra
usukele mina futhi ngizwe ngithi hayi good mina uyanya wena sana wena uyasuza wena yazi umsuzo wantwana le yakaka kanti lentwana kanti yasheka lentwana yazi that's why ngikukulethela ngifuna izinja zami zibone ukuthi amajida azwakala lapho kitafula athi 960 kule 60 imali engaka izoba itafula lethu ngicela nibhuku ilesele sesibhukhwa kanjalo
hayi wena
yebo ingoma zakudala zifana nezanoma like ngokuthi like life span yakhona ezanoma uyabona wa trenda last year this year hayi
that's why bekunenye genre kudala bayibiza ibubble gum yazi why bokuyi bubble gum chepisi sheshi phela taste uyayilahla uthengenye so they sort of doing bubble gum labantu angazi abayenzayo bayibiza yini marine longevity
man and like music no like wakhala usathonelwa no like lifespan ya thing
ngane
cause no uthola ntwana isha track this year next year iwile
out
but now I guarantee you le Brenda Fassie finanza phila no ngabe bambhuka
over
bolira sesibabina and watsiba ba tura jwang batho ba yes modern tona tsetsa yi
yo mfethu that's why abolira bona bazenzela ama tours yabona bayathora bona ma venue yonke into iza ngakuye and they know ukuthi bana ma fans yabona awamampela hayi fake yasema social media
450,000 boma million so this thing yabo onto boda bo AKA so bo city lights ayu thusinyana ba entle kwetsalang ka re baba involved le di gangster
cause irenga uyaka City Lights it was affiliated with Mabash lapha kuMadlanga no DJ Somebody
unfortunately yabona samajita sonke sizelo kuzophila silosophanda phanda ngendlela esihlukile yabo sometimes sinyathela ama concert that's why ukuthi emhlabeni futhi wazi ukuthi ubani nobani yabo
the case ka AKA iphili mfana what do you think
case ka AKA ayintwana into enzima yabona silahlokele hiyo
ashifana ngikhiyekile
and because it's a court akusinto singayilandelela
esingalokhu siringa ngayo kabhaya
yabona RIP to untwana asithi icourt ibambe sibone ukuthi ivaya kanjani silandelela umthetho
asanembani yang
yabona yabo city lights inzima kakhulu ngokuthi thina siphile estradeni every day so akusinto nje singavele siringe ngayo kanjalo because yakubi Karas you understand uyazi kwenzakalani
now sasekuthaba buwa my views
yes uyazi kwenzakalani uyazi wena uthi because kuphila wena wenzalani
bengise shop to shop baba ngesikhathi ngalesila ngaba show hector bengise shop to shop now
obani
uvintosi
abukunjaya
uvintosi I think I think a week before it was a Saturday Mama Mshaya on a Tuesday I think it was a Sunday yes baba bazomshaya I think ngihlangana naye ngada eKenza ngithola ngibuya vele elamula sithela inyama besiyabo isiforosela la elamula ngincanywa blind bayile no ex sathi kuBrianyana lapha kalamula sithi sishove ngenyamanyana siqinise ntwana uyazi amabhubesi yabo ayisitaya amabhubesi adla amabhubesi masithi siyaphuma nithi vela ikhadi ikhadi lami wena mama 20 inch uyazi mesladini saseSoweto understand Obama style understand amangithi ngithi ngiyambona esathi enayo ikaraka Vintosi yabo
bekashaya 7 orini 8 blue
bekuyiPorsche
obeshaya iPorsche
ngalelo langa wena inini Vintosi in wena i-number plate yakho iwile la ngasemuva ngithi ngiyaphela number plate iwile bengisogoliswa i-number plate wona ngakayiqisile bengaphinyisa ngantwa ikari yami ngithenge cash
cash time
ngithenge cash angikolodi ngalutho yabo yes mangithi no avele sishove nontwana oyo ujabulile umnandi
uzikapile
ngangithola usikapile ndoda Louis Vuitton usikapile muhle ngothi bekuyi outfit asho untwana yamaya sisuka angisayispanene number chance kanti vele isandi yakhona vele umjida somlu
Hello, hi, Letshego at work over here. Ke tswa strateng ke bone metlholo ke bone dilo ke utlwile metlholo. I've just watched podcast ya Kasi Jam ya Ma-E and that guy. Ke kopa go mo bitsa Mr. Trash only for now ne. I forgot his name. Leina la gagwe ke le lebetse to be honest. I've watched that interview. I saw that disrespect man le mang a buang ka yone but I've picked something. Something he picking up. I've picked up something. Remember Slick Talk hana a simolola a tsena batho ba ne ba ba offended man ke ene Slick Talk this guy o bueletse negative ka batho this guy this but now I'm gonna be honest and I'm gonna tell you the truth. I enjoy Slick Talk content no so if you bua ka the guys who are in this thing the men that we have in this industry baba seven content for nna Slick Talk ke one of them ke enjoy content ya gagwe so he managed to build himself something solid out of something that many people didn't like when it started we didn't like it re ne re sa rate re bona ile no sonso re bona ile mollo parafini wa tuka ebile o tlo go tima o re tu but no so Slick Talk o buildile brand o rata o sa rate go ikutlwa yang ka ene a se bothata so this guy Mr. Trash he can build himself a brand shame that guy ha ke channel shapo o tla ya khakala o ska bona gana because ha o morate no yana o bona gana no this guy tlo fella this guy ke scoops up parafini this guy modimo wa gago o wena mo rapela o tla go makatsa that guy ha ke channel sharp he can build a solid brand for himself taba ya disrespect yes ha ka irata ke bone le sizo tlomo mo nna comment le mo Twitter mo le gore mo XR JJ I'm disappointed and said you are involved JJ I know JJ we bua as if Mai, that guy, they were informed like days before. You understand? Guys, get 1 + 1. Get podcast network. Guys, it was a setup. Remember what happened? Kana ku ela ya Reason, when Reason rocked up ko music piano pals. Bo Thagi bo Sfiso ba rototse matlo ba maketse le bo Munaka for what is what. What up? Bana ba batho ba ntse itse go diragala. The producer of that show, Dudu, she knew. Dudu knew gore Sizwe Alakai o tla ba le teng. O tlo tlhagella and o tlo tlhagella ne nako e ba shootang. So a ke dumele JJ ka so sa batlang go se bua gore it's like they were informed days before. They were informed right there mo setting ha go to shoot. And come on, o tsaile matsapa, wa tlhapa, wa travel for an interview. Guys, chances tsa gore o ka yetsa that interview, they are very high. Le nna self, ebile nna ka e worse. Ke tlo nagana Pascom e ke neng ke kakasitse. Ke taboga ke tshela metsi ke tshela metsi ke timula ke tlo yetsa that interview. Ke re no, let's do it. Because I know letsatsi la ka ya no o le plan ne ya ke letsatsi la gago. You understand? So kai a ke dumalane le taba ya ga JJ ke re it was a setup. It was a setup. Podcast and Chill, we know them. We love them. We know how they do things. They can get very busy and very dirty. And we all know this. Taba ya disrespect ya eneng ili koko go mama ene ma aning I bona guys. Eneng kutlwise botlhoko le nna ka irata. I wish that guy ka bitse fela nah rock money man. The content fela and I'm sorry to kopo ska itsa ka pelo, you know. That's it. But that guy, woo! And I said what I've said, and I meant what I've said, and I'm not gonna take any ish back. Deal with it. In simple terms, that guy uitse yalo. Han tama foko ao but uitse yalo. Yo guys, he was not happy. And wabona mboma has it type it he's not violent at all. That guy was monarchy, a chilled kasi guy. You understand? O khona go controller ke ratile that guy and another thing Don ne ke batla go fa Don his flowers. Ke rata ka tsela Don a botsang dipotso ka yone guy. That guy he is so intelligent man. Ke rata tsela a botsang dipotso ka yona, tsela a handlelang situation ka yone like ka tlo bua maka ke ne ke le happy mo. Le hana boza that guy Mr. Trash gore ele gore your content mfethu ele go bua dilo tse negative fela na. Khotsa le tsentle wa di bua ene re bua nnete ke di video tse phopang tsa Mr. Trash ke trash ass. Trash. What is this? Trash. That guy, I naka to maka di video tsa he ka go fola tse ke di boneng. Se fa ba no ke tse negative. But hey, this is the negative yalo. I know about him. That should tell you something, guys. I know about that guy. E gore na o dira content e negative. I know about him, and that thing alone, it says a lot. How le motho positive? It says that's why ke re gopoleng Slick Talk. Ha re nyenyefatsa this guy, be re gopola gore Slick Talk o simolotse guy. Ne re sa rate Slick Talk. But today, Slick Talk oh shame. Ke besha ka Slick Talk. This guy, le na ka ya somewhere, you know. Yeah, it is what it is, guys. Don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, please, guys. I cannot subscribe to too fair. My son and I don't know the other person who subscribed. See you on the next one. Love you.
Caliber.
Kopa o botsa ne. Since le di opinion. Ne. A kere ke di opinion straight. O kile wa praise motho na contenting ya hao na or ke di opinion tsa trash fela o maybe.
Maybe talk about.
Ke tse positive, le tse negative, or ke negative fela.
Most of the time, now it's getting. If maybe like with something right now, like it was shebel and then it got and then it like maybe nakiliwan, this thing is nice, it was shebel like na you don't take it this thing is nice, guy apprement. Mara if you something else, if you like this thing maybe interest yak, and then someone else with
when I feel like
and then
you
you
so ufeel like when une power nje ukuthi udisa abantu
the way power.
Hayi
ngiyafika asuma le power.
No angithi ngiyakubona ungangikhombi
Kokukhomba kwethu so.
Yo wena ungangikhombi wena sana
Yo
ungikhombi wena
Don akere ko wena
ngikhuza kangaka ukuthi ungangikhombi wena sana mina ngikhonjwa wena sana
something wrong ke bua ka yona ko TikTok social media wherever.
Yeah.
Because ke feel ka this thing
umuntu angisukela bafethu
a ke dumellane le yone.
Okay,
go tswa ko wena go e bona as a negative perspective.
Okay, o tswa go operator sona.
Sharp.
One thola gore ko keng smoke the room again.
All the smoke.
Ya ke reng o grand ne ke feel ka go grand.
Mfana.
So what you saying now or direct what you nang ke comedy or
some of it ke comedy, some of it ke dilo tse lo ka di bona and then ke feel all it close to my heart.
So when I feel you have to put your people down on your socials
so that man down.
No. Utobua ka music kwa ram trash is not put my whole work down.
When no kwala dilo tse di tswile mo tseleng we put that down. Na ke bua ka ntho e etsa.
Are you sure? Go honke la bantu la ba mamela music kwam ushothi trash bana ba trash ba mamela music.
Dumelane ka ntho e one go road.
Phela wena phela umsuzo phela noma ungathi into i-trash wena umsuzo nawo
aba ko opinion yakho bila ke feel
ungangkhombi
wena feel
nje ungangkhombi
angkhombi next ke the way u feel ka teng
what's about njaka ne nchekina go ngigava njaka Fraser explain le what your craft is like, you know, is it comedy, is it about criticism, cause bona njaka bona nna kinale content that is almost similar to yours but nayaka. You know, when something is trending, like I'll make an example. If my EU trend about certain thing, I'll do a voice note. Hey, bayalwa in. And my EU wouldn't come to me and say, when I said, no, mama simbangam, because the way I've structured it, okay, if my EU to trend and go to share cherry, I'll make a voice note. You know, saying, hey, mapoisa, nangu ma ila batuyalwa in all that. It's something that I'm not. Axi filing you'll keep eye. Axi pogo and you'll keep eye. It's already it's what's there on the street. You understand? And I turn it into something that is fine. With Naxasa board. So I want to understand from yours. You understand? Which is having at Manchester Fire Conin. Yes, you understand. The hot man alitandi that in which now. You understand? But can you please make us understand? Okay, mina shaba mpana na indaba engimengayo and mina this is what I do singabi mude mpana.
Sure. Now what I do go gore ke comedy mixed with criticism one time. And just like your content, everything I buang ka yone it's already in the public. I can say file ya o ba ke bue anything elore maybe beyond what you do. If you get maybe you're a rapper that fell off, it's something everyone wa born. Go tswa ka wena o etsayang or maybe this guy.
Your opinion yakho. I mean, I'm getting booked every week, more than even
rapper book every week.
So ngiyasho njalo ngithi opinion yakho ungathi wonke umuntu uyayibona. Because now ngithanda music wami, khara sethanda music wami, udake ngithanda music wami. Opinion yakho u1 and buka labantu bathi bathanda music wakho bese usibheka wena ukuthi unjani. Two different things, but far away now. So mina ngivelu futhi ngivelu yipi opinion yami. Yo muntu so ongombona ukuthi akagezanga. Maybe ugeze nje because uza namhlanje or iopinion yabantu engibabona ukuthi baclean bagqoka amajode. Ba. Yabo? Ubani yipi efuze ngivelu yaka AKA or yakho?
Ofedit. Amapila abuya so batla ke mo reply na abare ka mo disrespect.
No, say it bro.